Here we are with Bob's RCI-2995DX. It's been back a couple times. One was for a problem with the relay, and now they said it had really bad audio. So we received it, tried it a couple months ago. It worked fine, put it to the side, brought it back out again. We're testing it and it seems to be working normal. We'll go ahead and transmit. We'll record off the 706 into the PC here. We'll key up, and as you can see, the audio there going into Vegas. Audio test 1, 2, 3. So we'll start recording.
Okay, here we are recording the audio coming out of the IC706 MK2G. We're doing 100% modulation at the moment. We could add some asymmetry, audio 1, 2, 3, audio 1, 2, 3, that's about 150. Put it back down to 100, audio 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2. That's a 2-watt dead key, swinging to about 6 to 8 watts PEP. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we'll go ahead and take the audio from the demodulator over here in the front jack and feed it into the laptop, and we'll record it from there. The audio from the demod should sound a lot better. Let me lower the audio out of I come here so we don't top off there in Vegas. Okay, that seems to be a little better. Okay, so we'll go ahead and record from the audio coming out of the demodulator in the front jack now to see how it sounds.
Okay, we got the audio plugged into the front of the radio to the demodulator. We'll clear this out, delete, and we'll start recording from the beginning. Go ahead and key up.
Okay, this is the audio coming out of the demodulator, and we are recording that there on Vegas. And as I said, this radio has been here for a while. Todd tried it, Dave tried it, Bob tried it. They keep saying the audio was really bad. It worked fine for the first few days, and then it stopped working. So let's go ahead and go to high power. High power. 1 second. Let's unkey. Just we hear a little hum there come out because of the power supply. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Test 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2, 3. That little hum comes out right there. You can see it. Something to do with the power supply. When you put a load on it, it seems to be not filtering properly. This is one of the older versions, the RCI-2995DX. It's got the conventional power supply, the linear power supply, not the new switching type. But that's about 100-watt dead key swinging to about 200 watts right there. Audio 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2.
That's a lot of power. That's just trying the extreme. We'll try to adjust it for the high power now. Let's go ahead and set a dead key, let's say a normal 40 watts. Okay. The hum goes away. That's because we had too much dead keys. And the power supply was struggling. But at 40 watts, right there, set up a reference. Audio 1, 2, 3. There's a 100% modulation, swinging to about 160 watts from a 40-watt dead key. That's exactly 100%. 4 times 4 is 16, so 4 times 40 is 160. And it sounds really, really good. The hum went away. In between words, it's nice and quiet. And that's in high power. It sounds beautiful.
Now let's go back to low power. And now we got to readjust everything. Let's go to the low scale here on the meter. That's a 0.5 watt dead key. Let's put it at a 1 watt. That's a 1 watt. We'll set it here on the oscope. One watt. Reference right there. Audio test. 1, 2, 3. 1 watt swinging to about, let's put the asymmetry down. 1 watt, audio down a little bit. It's still doing good on the scope. Audio 1, that's about 1 watt swinging to about 5 to 6 watts. Do you want to? Test 1, 2. It's real clean. We could add some asymmetry. Audio asymmetry, asymmetry, asymmetry. You see as it gets louder and fuller. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Now we're doing about an 8 watt PEP. Audio test 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2. That's about 200% modulation right there. Test 1, 2, 3. Let's lower it back down to 100% modulation right there. And it seems to be working really good. I'm not sure what's going on. Hate to fix something that's not broken. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3.
Now if we take off the line end connector,
we could use the hand mic, and that's what the hand mic sounds like. Hand mic audio, nice and tinny, just like a tin can. Audio test, test 1, 2. And we plug the line in connector back in. World of difference. 1, 2, 3, test. Okay, we'll leave it on the bench for a little bit, come back to it in a while, see if there's a ghost in the machine.
Good morning to you. JR, the watermelon truck in the Bayou Country.